Hello students. Today we will start the another phase of the menstrual cycle which is known as follicular phase or proliferative phase. Why this phase is known as follicular phase? Question is that rise. Follicular phase starts from the day 5 to day 13. Between these meanwhile this phase will start. According to the NCERT and their diagram, look there, here we have a diagram. It is in NCERT. This is the representation of the diagrammatic representation of the various events during the menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle or menstruation phase, it is earlier explained. Now this one is a follicular phase. Follicular phase is also known as proliferative phase. In this phase, from here look there, menstrual phase start from 1 to till then 5, after 5 to till then 13. It means in that meanwhile 9 days are related to the follicular phase, here from here to till then here, follicular phase. In that meanwhile different types of changes takes place in ovary and uterus, and the hormonal level also increase or decrease in that time. So at last we will explain the whole diagrammatic representation, but before it we will emphasize in this theoretical part. So look here, follicular phase starts from the day 5 to the day 13. It means 9 days are related to it. So suppose the menstrual cycle start from 1 to till then 13. 5 days are related to the menstrual phase, and from the 5 to till then the 13 the follicular phase is there. 9 days are related to it. Follicular phase have got two most important things, two most important events. Two important events are found in this phase. What are they? First event is primary follicle change into Graafian follicle. We know that different types of follicles are present in ovary. They are known as primary follicle. Primary follicle convert into secondary follicle. Secondary follicle convert into tertiary follicle, and tertiary follicle further convert into the Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle is the mature structure of the follicles. And this Graafian follicle, this structure is found in ovary. So the first event, which is first phase, which is related to the follicular phase, it is primary follicles convert into Graafian follicle. This primary follicle convert into Graafian follicle. According to the NCERT, look there. This is the primary follicle, they convert into now Graafian follicle. And this Graafian follicle consists ovum. Remember it. Now, second event occurs in uterus. What is the second event? In this event, broken endometrium wall again develops and again thick. Broken endometrium wall, according to the NCERT, look here. From here, this is the endometrium wall. Earlier stage, it ruptured and the menstrual flow came out from the vaginal part. But after that, look there, from here, the endometrium wall, it repair itself. And it look thick, it's swollen up. So these two events, first event, primary follicles convert into Graafian follicles. Second event, the endometrium wall is repaired itself and it look thick or swollen up due to the blood vessels. So in this way, these two events play a very important role in follicular phase. And after that, both events are regulated by hormones. These both events are regulated by the hormones. Which types of hormones? Two hormones are very, very important. These hormones in this phase, luteinizing hormones LH and the follicle stimulating hormones FSH, their level increases. Look there, according to the NCERT, look there, in this phase, after that, luteinizing hormones or FSH, follicle stimulating hormone, their level is increases in that time. Look there, it is a Graafian follicle, and between the Graafian follicle, look there, their level will increase. Then after that, so the primary follicles, whenever they convert into Graafian follicle, FSH, follicle stimulating hormones, play a very important role in it. This question is very important. एम्स में भी पूछा गया है, अदर मेडिकल जो एग्जाम है उनमें भी पूछा जाता है. प्राइमरी फॉलिकल्स convert into Graafian follicle in the presence of which hormone? So follicle stimulating hormones play a very important role to convert the primary follicles into the Graafian follicles. And follicle cells also secrete a specific hormone which is known as estrogen hormones. Its level will be always high in this time. Look there, according to the NCERT, look here, this is the Graafian follicle, look there, this is the estrogen level. Now the estrogen level will increase. So this is the most important thing related to the follicular phase. Estrogen level will increase, remember it. So follicular cells also secrete estrogen hormones, and its level will always high in this time. And another important work of the estrogen hormones, it is also important, it is estrogen also help in repair the endometrium wall and blood vessels. In this way, estrogen play an important role to thick the endometrium wall. Look here, now look there, endometrium wall धीरे धीरे ये मोटी होती चली जा रही है, थिक होती चली जा रही है. So estrogen hormones also play a very important role to thick the endometrium wall and repair the endometrium wall. That is the basic and important work of the estrogen hormones during the follicular phase or the proliferative phase. At last, at the middle of the cycle, LH and FSH are at the peak level. We know that at the middle, from 1 to till then 29, middle part is 14, look there, LH and FSH hormones level is very high. So that's all about the second phase, which is known as follicular phase and the proliferative phase. In next video we will discuss the another important phase which is known as ovulatory phase.